What up, what up, what up? Back at you. Dino down mega. Dino. Everyday life with Dino. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we just starting out this weekend, this day. I ain't get some gas. I ain't want to drive my car today. I would have did a little something. I said I was going to do something with the car. I said I was going to put them plugs in there. Change the oil. Oh, I didn't start it back up. So.
Don't tell them why you didn't put the plugs in.
I don't know. Probably, you know, when it's bad weather outside, when it's gloomy outside, it's probably when I should have just felt like doing it. But I just decided to ride with you. I really wasn't tripping. I'll probably do it next week. Kind of like to procrastinate. You know what I'm saying? And it's something else I need to do. Ah, my light went out too. One light. Park light. My car tell me we're not listening. But yeah, we out today. We're gonna see what we can do on this gloomy day. Y'all can take a ride with us. I'm riding with Felicia, so we gonna ride with Felicia. We're gonna see what Felicia be talking about.
I'll go there.
Yeah, we're gonna see what goes on with
you.
you.
See where I'm going.
Yeah, I'm seeing where you're going. Ride with you. Wherever you go, wherever you park the car at, I'm just gonna see people show up on you. Just ride up. Be like, hey, there go Felicia's car. Let me stop over here. Know how you girl all week long be going places and stuff. She be meeting different dudes, and they know where she drives.
They probably like, why you didn't pump the gas? He didn't pump gas because I guess we've been going together for so long. So he's like,
they already.
She could pump her own.
They didn't even know about you pumping gas until you said something.
Well, I want them to know you showed and get out and pump it.
So. We riding in the Maxima. Sometimes we should drive like an old lady.
Whatever. I drive carefully, okay? Not like no old lady. And I'm short, so I gotta be able to get to my pedals. I ain't tall. And don't be trying to film me the whole time anyway.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna put it back on the start.
That's why I'm driving. So you can make your own video. And I put my input in when I want to. We talk about it.
Yeah.
I still like this area.
Oh, you got the air coming out.
I think I gotta pick up my ride.
A little hungry.
Huh?
I said a little hungry.
Yeah, I gotta pick her up this thing. And I need some legends.
Well, yeah, we doing some running around. I gotta go to Nebraska Furniture. See what they got going on. But while we riding though, I can see a little bit of my world and how it goes and riding with Felicia. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's a beautiful day out here.
You don't think that would be on me either? In there. I be driving like an old lady, but I be rolling.
Yeah, rolling on four wheels. It's about the only rolling she be doing.
What?
Rolling on four wheels. I said rolling on four wheels. That's about the only rolling you really be doing. Rolling. Sure. You know what? Really don't. Go outside. anyway, when I don't be driving, I don't really get to dictate where I go. I be riding, and sometimes when you be riding with people, you be like, man, I wish you wouldn't be riding on the ass of that car so fast. So I be like, get up off
Ain't
the
nobody
ass.
riding.
No, I'm just talking about when
Oh,
I'm
I thought you were going to say me.
No,
I ain't riding on that car.
I know you're not right now, or I would have said something.
Last night I probably was, but not
Yeah,
now.
well, I'm just saying.
It's wet now, so I ain't going to do that. It's wet out here. If it was dry, I might.
We heading over to Kansas to see what the Kansas people is doing.
Now, really, he heading over to Kansas because he want to whoop my brother's ass in this game so bad. So, man, I hope he win today. I ought to put it on YouTube. I ought to just video.
The channel.
Yeah, I ought to put it on the channel.
Nah, I don't want nobody to see that thing.
Because you don't want anybody to get booked.
It's on my free time. I'll be copy. Yeah, it might break my concentration. So. We out here. Was gonna get out tonight, but let y'all see what we do in the evening time. But it's the weather is like good. It's like ugly. But here she go again. She riding out up on people and stuff. People ride with the dogs out out the window. Anyway, man, like I said, why it's still when it rain? By your house and
right.
Your house.
Look how dry the streets is down here. So you could have drove.
I would have drove. I don't think I don't drive my car.
You could have drove.
I just
watched it. You could have rode through the club spots. Show the people Kansas side.
Oh, that's okay. We got it.
Oh, I spoke too soon.
You spoke too soon to start. Look how we just was talking about.
Hey, stay up here.
Get on by this truck. Dang, I was going to interact with some of my friends this weekend. I was going to see what they was doing. I was going to hang out this weekend. Felicia's mad at me and shit. So I was going to hang out. I was going to let her stay mad.
What happened?
Can't even talk about it.
No, you can't even talk about
You
it.
can talk about it.
You don't want to know what happened.
I mean,
Why
we
you
can talk
do it
about
then?
it, but it was like,
That's what you was going to do. What happened?
That's not, that was not what I was trying to be talking about. But yeah, okay. Things happen. And,
He just wants to stay with me.
yeah, I mean, but
Yep.
things happen, yeah. But I was just saying, though, I was going to try to see. I don't know. See if I still had it. Not like trying to get nobody or nothing, but just,
Oh, we know that.
I know, when I used to go out, that's why I call myself Nigga. Don Nigga, Dino, Don Nigga. But back then, you know what I'm saying?
Wait a minute. So when you met me, you thought you was called Dino Don Mega? You would come up to me and say that?
Y'all know I met her at a gas station. I was coming from the club, smelling good, looking crispy. I seen her bought me some gas. She had a black dress on. I got out. You know what I'm saying? And it was a wrap. Asked her for them digits. She looked me up and down. I know she smelled me coming because I was smelling good. I smelled myself. I was smelling good.
Don't worry, I wasn't even paying no attention.
Yeah, whatever. You know how it goes when you first meet somebody. What happens when you first meet somebody, you be like, yeah, wait, she get a load of me. Or it's like, She say she was trying to get
Me and my
home.
bestie.
Yeah. She say she was trying to get home.
I was.
You know what I'm saying?
My night was over.
You and your bestie.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah, I was with Trey. That was when I was over in Kansas. Yeah. For y'all that don't know, Kansas and Missouri, it's like a street, like state line, and it's like, you know, this side over here is Kansas, this side over here is Missouri, like St. Louis. There's a few other states that's like that. But yeah, you know, down in Kansas City, they say, you know, they got this thing going on with Missouri. In Kansas. Kind of crazy. I'm not really from here. I've been down here a while, but you know, it's like maybe the Kansas dudes, Kansas girls, the Missouri dudes, the Missouri girl females. It's kind of crazy.
Not me, I fuck with everybody.
Yeah, I mean, some people is like that, but it'd be pretty intense. It's pretty intense when I first got here. I was seeing people going through this stuff.
Well, yeah, they was. It was like that when I was in school, you know. It was like, Missouri niggas is like crazy. That's the people everywhere.
Really, we really do need some other couple of friends to hang out with.
Why you bored hanging with just me?
No, I'm just saying though, it's like I ain't bored hanging with you. It's just everybody need to recognize some of my opinions and stuff. Besides just you, because you always, you know, I might get some people that might listen to me and learn.
You think you know everything, and I basically know everything. Like I said, you think you know everything, but I basically know everything.
I don't really think I know everything.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know a lot of most things.
People so funny.
Right. People out here in the world is funny. Are you talking about people in the world, or you just talking about people you know?
Oh, both. But really, people I know. You know?
Oh, well, that's what everybody. I mean, I think that's what everybody has encounters people in their life that act funny. That's why they call them haters.
It's like, how the world. Now, this is so funny. I got to tell the cello this. Because how do your, I don't even know what to call it, sperm donor. That's what I'm going to call it. Sperm donor. Okay. Lady, you can't just bogart yourself over.
Yeah, she
Okay.
did. Just
Anyway.
Just do it. Right.
It's a sperm donor. Okay.
Yeah. Sperm donor.
Right. They helped me make my two beautiful daughters. Oh, shucks. My mama.
Well, all right.
Hello? I'm on the highway.
They be talking to she be talking.
Yeah, I did.
Otherwise, they would be talking all the way like.
And I ain't coming to Dallas. I'm going Dino going to Nebraska real quick. I'm going out the way real quick. To Nebraska.
Anyway, though.
Yeah, either on the way down or I have to get her there. Come here.
This weather is.
Oh, well, get her then. Yeah. Yeah,
No, what we gonna eat today?
because I was going to go and get that jacket out of the ATM. My bad, my mama. No mamas, they just be talking. You gotta love them. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Okay, so he comes around like he in the family, you know, but my bros, you know what I'm saying? Because he just want to be like he intimidating somebody. So, this nigga had the audacity to ask my brothers, can I go have with him on apartment? On the application. I don't even talk to you. Don't even mess with you. We don't even got a good communication for our daughters and none of that. And I'm in a whole nother relationship, not to think that 8 years. Why would I go have with you on an application? I just want some. Maybe I missed something. Y'all tell me. I mean, I just didn't understand it. It was just kind of odd and strange to me. I wanted somebody to reach out and tell me, you know. I mean, and please don't hit me if he need help, because he's a grown-ass man. So, I'm just, you know, I tried to ask Dino Don Bega what he thought of the situation. And all he could do was laugh, so I don't know. Ain't nobody been able to tell me. My daughters laughed, he laughed. So y'all just tell me, what was that for? You know what I'm saying? And he had a perfect girlfriend. Perfect. You know, me and her got along great.
A whole girlfriend. He had a whole girlfriend.
Me and her got along great. I mean, beautiful lady. Beautiful spirit. Beautiful lady. I liked her, you know what I'm saying? Basically, I would like anybody he have because I don't want him. You know, I wished him the best of the best. You know, but he had another lady and she didn't like the girls. Only thing I don't like is if you get somebody and they don't accept your kids or accept what comes with you. That's my only problem. So that's why me and that lady, we couldn't get a bond or get a relationship because of how she was doing my daughters and how she was, you know, acting towards me. But the other lady he had, beautiful. But he didn't want her. Why? What? I'm just confused, you know? Could have had his daughters in his life, you know, and living a happy little, you know, family. I wouldn't have been upset, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I don't want him. I didn't have him. There ain't nothing for me that I want. So that's why I was just puzzled and I was just threw off. Okay, you big bitch. What is wrong with you? Excuse me. Ooh, okay, put that on there. I'm about to make another channel. Did you see this truck?
I see the truck.
Wow.
The funny thing about all of this is, you know, whatever situation.
This baby
It's like her situation.
He must
I got
be late.
situations like that child support too. But my advice to her was let him go. Let him off the child support. You know, and I just said that because of the fact. Hold up, just hear me on this. The only reason that I was saying that is because sometimes a dude can be on child support and they can be hitting so hard to where he can't recover, and it's like he can't really do whatever he, you know what I'm saying? He can't even live his life, so that creates an anger in him or whatever.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
But listen at this. He got on child support for the simple fact. First of all, when he first came out of his situation where he was, I don't tell his business.
Institution.
So,
everybody institutionalized.
Okay. When he came out of that, I only asked him to pay the little one's phone, pay the oldest one's phone bill, and then buy the little one some Jordans because she loved Jordan tennis shoes. You know, that's her thing. She always got to have them. What was that? That ain't nothing to do. What in the world was that? Nothing. He could even live by that, but then he want to get on here and he want to say he got this, he got new, he got this, he got that. If he would have been doing what he was supposed to be doing, I wouldn't even did him like that. But even though I still had to go along with it because he was already gonna get got anyway because of me being on the system. All the years when I had to take care of my kids on my own. See, if he would have been a man and had a job then, I wouldn't have got all that system money and all that system help. So he got to pay. Regardless if I go sign it off, get him off,
that's back child support.
Or anywhere.
Yeah.
He still gotta pay.
Back child support.
That little money he give my baby, it don't add up to her expenses. So if I was going to change it or take it off, she wouldn't be hurting because it ain't nothing anyway. Really, it's some play money, eat money for her because she like to eat. What's that? But if I had a good baby daddy, baby, you a good baby daddy.
God.
So you shouldn't have been in the situation you're in because you're a good baby daddy. You know what I'm saying? You're a good stepfather and all that. So your situation is totally different. It comes from angry and madness, your situation. That's where yours comes from.
That's another
But
skill.
it's okay. So I'm just like, don't know what to say about it.
But really, to be honest with you, I mean, this is just my point of view. I mean, it's kind of like a person gonna do what they gonna do. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's like some of them.
But you know, you done seen him, you done met him.
I know, but yeah, and it's like first off, you gotta want to have a relationship with your kids. You gotta want to. You gotta want to have a relationship with your kid. You gotta be separate from your situation. Whatever situation that you're in, you gotta be separate from any situation. You can't have nothing to do with no money or nothing because being a father, it don't have nothing to do with money anyway. You know what I'm saying? So.
And you know, girls are kind of different than boys because girls need their daddy from little to on up. You know what I'm saying? They need their daddy from little to on up. But my girls have other daddy figures. I mean, they have a whole lot. You know, I got a lot of strong men in my family that took the role, so they ain't lacking nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's just that it ain't their own daddy, they blood daddy. But they have daddies. They probably got about 5 of them. So they ain't lacking nothing. It's just that he don't know how, never did know how to be a daddy. Like sometimes people need to realize and make sure of when they with somebody and it's gonna be kids involved that they can take on their role. That's why I mean, don't protect yourself. Don't have kids if you can't. If you gonna be a kid yourself,
ready.
Yeah,
you're not ready.
Because he kind of a kid himself, you know.
You're not ready.
So,
but that's why
don't do it.
And really, to tell you the truth, that's why I stress what I stress, and I'm saying what I'm saying because of y'all, a lot of y'all young people, and a lot of y'all picking people. Dudes, strap up for real. First off,
Right.
Strap up.
Not saying don't go get you.
Yeah, but if you haven't, if you're going out and you haven't protected sex, you know what I'm saying, and you know, spit kids all up with somebody or potential kids, you know what I'm saying. With all actuality, you're supposed to be sure about that's what you want to do, and that's who you can have a baby by. You have a baby by the wrong girl, and you ain't with her no more, man. Later on, it's gonna cause problems for you. Big problems. The problem's gonna occur when you meet somebody else in a relationship and they're happy, and then you and the other person, the girl that you got the baby by, she's mad. She's bitter at the other chick. She's mad at you. And as long as you have a good relationship with somebody, as long as the relationship is good with y'all, everything's good. I hear a lot of dudes, they be talking about, man, I have a baby by her, we're gonna be cool. Now you don't know what you're gonna be in 10 years, 15 years, or after 20 you're cool, but 10 years,
Right.
you can still pay child support at 15 years. You know what I'm saying? But in your situation, when you used to tell me about this with your baby daddy, I used to be like, yeah, and I used to be like, but then when it hit me, I was like, man, let that dude off. And I'm just saying that. I'm not saying it because of let him do what he gonna do. What I'm trying to say is, it's like I agree with child support, but I don't like the part of putting the state and the SRS or whoever, the family people in it, because they don't do a full assessment on what a dude make. They don't.
Right.
They go and they say, okay, dude makes this much, you should pay this much. They just go in there and say, bam, you're gonna get this much, and it's like, you know, sometimes people don't know how to manage their money and a lot of things. So you can't blame a dude for not knowing how to manage his money or something. But then you got some situations where he might be living with a chick or something, and that chick might not be allowing him to do some of the things he's supposed to. But if you get a good supporting cast with you, then she should allow you to take care of yours, and then, you know, get her a little portion too. But I mean, you know, it's an opinion. What y'all think? I mean, well,
But the whole point is, you put if you have a baby daddy, or you know, you put them on child support because they deadbeats. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel that any woman should be out here alone without getting any help if the dad is a deadbeat. Once again, I'm gonna say deadbeat dad. Okay. Now, if they deadbeat, you should do what you gotta do. Yeah, get you some money. But if the man is giving the child what he needs, what he asks for, you know what I'm saying? Or if you know what I'm saying, the child can call for anything. I mean, nah, I wouldn't just go put him on child support. That's me being bitter as a woman. That's me mad. That's me upset about something. And that's just that. I didn't do that. That's not what my situation was about. I didn't go and put him on nothing because I was a bitter woman. No, because I'm not a bitter woman at all. No. He got put on child support because he don't want to do what he needs to do as a man. And I'm not only talking about financial. I'm talking about relationship wise. He don't got a relationship with him. He ain't active in any life or none of that. So that's why he was put into that. You know what I'm saying? Graduation. My daughter walked across the stage, had everything she wanted. You know what I'm saying? I did that as a mother. I paid for it. I wasn't getting no child support then, and graduation shit is high. Okay, I did it. Okay, my daughter is 22 right now. No babies, no sexual activities, none of that. I raised her as a mother. I did that. She has her own car. We did that together. And I hate a man out here that lies. He want to take the credit when he ain't putting none in. You know, I bought her that car. Well, you ain't bought nothing. Nigga, you ain't bought nothing. So that's my situation. That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that men should be on child support, and I'm not saying they shouldn't. I'm saying look at the situation. And my situation is totally different, and he needs to be on it. You know what I'm saying? If he was doing all what he was supposed to, helping, being active in a life, it wouldn't have never got to this point. But it did, and I'm not fucked up about it, and I'm not messed up about it. And his money he give, it don't go in me. It don't go in my pocket. I don't buy nothing with it. I don't pay no bills with it because I pay my own bills. I don't pay nothing with it. My daughter has that little kiosk card. That's what it comes on. So it strictly goes to her. She can do whatever she wants with it. So it don't go to me, you know, because I don't need it. So, I mean, just it is what it is. Yeah. And that's my thought.
Well, I mean, I agree with you on the deadbeat dad part of it. But with me being it ain't like I got love, like I don't really care. I mean, I don't even want to bash them. I ain't bashing nobody, but it's like that it matters to me or not. But I'll say this: I think you should take you off child support, and that's just what I'm saying. That's just my opinion.
I understand. We already had this talk.
Yeah, it's like
I ain't gonna go into
because, it. You know, I know how it goes. Because it's like, you know, it's like they don't. It's not even that. I think mostly if you're gonna interact with child support with a dude, let him volunteer, let him put in what he can put in, and then I mean, you're gonna get some dudes out here that really want to be with their kids and really want to see the best stuff for their kids.
Well,
they're gonna do what they gonna.
I'm gonna ask my daughter, do she want me to take him off? Because you know she's 16 and she has a mind of her own. You know what I'm saying? And this is her money, not mine. And I wish we were picking her up from work today because I'll let y'all hear her answer. But I'm gonna let her come up with that because it's not my money, it's hers. Now, if it was benefiting me, then I'll agree with what you're saying, and I might go ahead and think about it. But it ain't my money; it's her money.
Well, that's true.
So I'm gonna see what she says. So if she tell me, "Yeah, Mama, go ahead," I'll do that. But if my baby say no, but I know my child.
But I guess a good dad would be like, hey,
I know what she gonna say.
What I'm trying to say is, it's like the system. I ain't gonna say child support, y'all. I ain't saying to do shit with y'all. I'm talking about that system, man. I don't agree with. I don't like how somebody tell somebody what they gotta pay and what they gotta do. I mean, it's like, shoot, I can make an agreement with my son on my own about what I can give him, and he can just call me and get what he want to get. You know what I'm saying? My son got a Visa card. I just transfer the money over. I can have this like, here I go telling somebody how to drive. But anyway, what y'all think? I mean, you really don't. Y'all subscribe, hit the button, all that, share it. Hey, Dino and Felicia and the Max talking. You know what I'm saying? What up, Felicia? Felicia, we got to get our own thing. Well, me and Felicia need to get our own little reality show. I'll be in the makeup room talking to her. I'll be doing my thing in the car. The phone always be going. But hey, y'all, drop us something. Hit the bell. You always be putting something out. We're gonna be doing a lot of different stuff. You know, God, heck,